kum shibenta ban rakhi ka jingdap lai pusan snem ka jingya lenti ban shakri ki noi kai ka Khasi Jaintia Deficit School Teachers Association ka badai ka seng ki noi kai jong ki school deficit apo ri Khasi Jaintia menta ka singi ka khat pratrek naitung kala pelong ya ka jingya kop ya tainya ba ka jingkentep jong ki school ka nongba kanthuk ru ki than ki ba marjan ha ka hall jong Jill Road Boys Higher Secondary School hakani ka singi wemali ka nong thmai ba jimino motho la long kum khongsan hakani ka jingya kop etainya u James Bond nongklaw na Ram Krishna Higher Secondary School sora ulalong nongjob ubinet das na Jill Road Boys High Secondary School ulawan baar usoraf Sinha na Laban Bengali Boys High Secondary School ulawan balai mara ka jingya kop jingkintep ka Jill Road Boys High Secondary School kalayo ya ka jingjob ka Laban Bengali Boys High Secondary School kalawan baar mat balai layo khur da Ram Krishna Mission sora.
When we talk about education as a whole, I think that we need to do a lot more. We need to do a lot more. I know that the young people are there. We have so much of human resource here. When we talk of the human capital, it's tremendous. I used to say this, that we have hidden treasures here, not only in Shillong, not only in Meghalaya, but in the entire northeastern states.